Saravanan is getting 28% of the marks in an examination and he passes by 18 marks. But another candidate who gets 20% of marks gets 30 marks lesser than the passing marks. What is the percentage of passing marks in the exam? So as usual, we can assume that the total percentage of marks which can be scored in the exam is 100%, right? Now there are two candidates in the question. Let's start with the first candidate, Saravanan, and he is getting 28% of the total marks and he passes by an addition of 18 marks, right? What about the second candidate? He is scoring just 20% of marks and he is failing by 30 marks because they've said that he is scoring 30 marks lesser than the pass marks, right? So compared to the pass marks, he is having a score which is having a difference of 30, right? Now very simple, just find out the difference in both the cases. First, let's find out the difference between the two people's marks in terms of percentage. And what is that going to be? 8% of marks. Similarly, what is going to be the exact mark difference between the two candidates? Saravanan is getting extra 18 marks and the second person is getting lesser than 30 marks. I mean, compared to the pass mark, he scores 30 marks lesser, right? So the difference between the two candidates in exact marks is 48. So 8% of the total score is equivalent to 48. What is going to be 1%? Very simple. We divide by 8 on both sides. We are going to get 6. So what is 100% of the score? So times it with the 100 on both sides and that is going to be 600 marks, right? Now moving on. We need to find out the percentage of pass marks, right? So let's take any one of the candidate as an example. Maybe let's take the second candidate. So he's scoring 20% of the total score, right? So what is 10% of the total score? 60. And what is 20% of the total score then? Times 2. So the total score obtained by the second candidate is 120. And what marks should he score to get pass marks? He should be scoring an extra 30 marks, right? So we had 30 with it. So if the second candidate is going to get 150 marks, he's going to pass the exam, right? Now what is the question? Find the percentage of pass marks, right? So 150 is the marks which has to be secured to pass the exam. What is this going to be in terms of percentage? Very simple, just our old concept. So find out 150 out of 600. And if we simplify this, 1 and this is going to be 4. We have got a fraction as 1 by 4. And what is 1 by 4 in terms of percentage? From the fraction to percentage conversion table, we clearly know that 1 by 4 is equivalent to 25%. So the percentage of marks to get passed in the examination is 25.